name's Steve Gago, also known as the Timorese Terror from Australia. My mum was born in East Timor, grew up in Elmira. I'd love to come visit the culture and to see my mum's homeland. This is my second time now. The first time was unbelievable in a hot season. It's a little bit cooler than normal, but nah, beautiful. I love it, both times. So I've had about 21, 22 years of experience of boxing. Amateurs, about 30, 40 amateurs, and about 17 professional fights. I've had 3 championship belt fights, so I'm a former IBF champion, 2-time WBC champion, and I've fought about 2 to 3 people that's world champion. It is a tough sport. I think growing up when I was little, more independent. I'm the eldest of 6 people, of six siblings, so I'm the eldest. Looking after my brothers and sisters, helping out my mum. And one day I just wanted to start boxing. I saw a sign, walked into the gym, and I loved it. It was my pace. It was good, made me stronger, made me the person that I am today. I'm welterweight, so which is 66.6 kilos. 66.7 kilos, sorry, and I fought one time at 63.5 kilos for a world title shot. 3 times, I've been 3-time former champion. Yeah. A lot of discipline, a lot of hard work. With me, a lot of hard work, but not enough discipline because I had to work, pay my bills, look after, help my family. So if you want to make it to the top, you gotta believe, drink, sweat, boxing 24/7. So boxing, you have to breathe it, you have to sleep it, you have to eat it. So it's 24/7 sacrifice, big sacrifice. Yeah, motivation. I've been here 2 times now, and I've seen a lot of good boxers here, a lot of young Timorese people here, and I saw Daniel and Daniel over a fight in Indonesia. Very good, very good. So I think for them, I believe in them, and they need to believe in themselves as well. So 100% sacrifice. So don't fall off the rail, no break. No? If you have a break, hard to get back in. So boxing, consistent, fitness, running, everything. If you want to become a champion, you want to take boxing full serious, keep working hard, day and night. Training twice a day is very good, but make sure you eat properly, make sure you sleep properly, no partying, no drinking, no smoking. So they're the 3 things that you have to be very disciplined about. So keep going. I love you all. Thank you very much. Lalaok Desportu, Bele.